I'm going to explain how to modify comparative adjectives. To describe a small difference, you can use the words a bit, a little, or slightly. For example, Tom is a bit taller than me, Tom is a little taller than me, and Tom is slightly taller than me. To compare big differences, you can use a lot, significantly, far, and much. For example, physics is much more difficult than history. Physics is a lot more difficult than history. Physics is far more difficult than history. Or physics is significantly more difficult than history. The final thing to mention is which words can't be used with comparative adjectives. Very and really can never be used in a comparative sentence. Compare comparative adjectives with a bit, a little, slightly for small differences, or a lot, significantly, far and much for big differences.